Welcome to Best Choice. The best workbench top is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of any workshop, providing the crucial surface where creativity, repair, and creation come to life. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional mechanic, the right workbench top can significantly impact your efficiency, safety, and the overall quality of your projects, transforming a simple workspace into a highly functional and inspiring hub for all your endeavors. Number 5. WORKPRO 60 Adjustable Workbench. Experience superior strength and wear resistance with its high-quality rubber wood tabletop. This durable surface is coated for protection against moisture and daily use, supporting a remarkable 2,000 pounds load capacity. Customize your workspace with ease. The height of this work table can be adjusted between 31 to 12 inches and 39 to 38 inches, allowing you to find the perfect ergonomic position for any project or task. Power your projects conveniently with the built-in power strip. It features 4 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports, all ETL certified for your safety and peace of mind. This robust workstation is perfect for a wide range of activities, from detailed repairs to woodworking. Its solid hardwood surface is ideal for hitting, dyeing, drilling, and cutting, making it a versatile addition to any space. Setting up your new workspace is simple. Detailed instructions are included, ensuring a hassle-free assembly process so you can start using it in no time. What we like. This workbench features a durable rubber wood top and adjustable height settings, making it incredibly versatile. It also comes with a built-in ETL certified power strip with AC and USB ports. If you're looking for a sturdy and convenient workstation for your garage or workshop that can adapt to various projects and power needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The workbench top is made of solid wood, which is very durable and can withstand heavy loads. It has a smooth surface that is easy to clean and resistant to scratches. The pre-drilled holes make it easy to attach vices or other accessories. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN 2000 Series 6-foot Workbench. Introducing the CRAFTSMAN 2000 Series Workbench, a robust and versatile addition to your workspace. Proudly made in the USA with global materials. Never worry about items falling off the back again. The full-width metal backsplash keeps your supplies securely on top. Built for durability, its heavy-duty steel frame comes with all the necessary hardware for easy assembly. It's ready to support your toughest projects. Work on a smooth and sturdy 1-inch thick butcher block surface. It provides a reliable and spacious area for all your tasks. Ensure stability with 4 adjustable leveling feet. This feature keeps the workbench perfectly level, even on uneven surfaces. With an overall load rating of 1,450 pounds, this workbench is designed to handle substantial weight. It's built to last and perform. What we like. This workbench boasts a thick butcher block surface and a full-width metal backsplash to keep your supplies in place. Proudly made in the USA, it offers a robust steel frame and adjustable leveling feet for stability. If you need a heavy-duty, reliable workbench with a classic look and practical features for a serious workshop, this one is a top contender. What people say. The butcher block countertop is solid, and the bench is very easy to assemble. The assembly was straightforward and easy, the legs sturdy and the frame sturdy. This is a nice sturdy work area and the height is perfect. I'm not leaning over at all, which is nice cause I'm 6 feet 2 inches. Number 3. Seville Classics UltraHD 72 Workbench. Meet the Seville Classics UltraHD Workbench, a versatile and robust addition to any workspace. Its spacious design and durable construction make it ideal for a wide range of tasks. Engineered for demanding projects, this workbench boasts an impressive 2,000 pounds capacity. You can rely on its strength for even your heaviest loads. Customize your working experience with its adjustable height feature. Find the perfect ergonomic position for maximum comfort and efficiency during long work sessions. The generous 72-inch wide wood top provides ample space for all your tools and materials. Work with ease on this expansive and sturdy surface. Crafted with quality and longevity in mind, this workbench is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Invest in a tool that will serve you reliably for years to come. Choose Seville Classics for your workspace needs. We are dedicated to providing high-quality, functional, and durable solutions that enhance your productivity. What we like. This workbench offers a generous 72-inch wide surface and an impressive 2,000 pounds capacity, with height adjustability for ergonomic comfort. Its UltraHD designation suggests exceptional durability for demanding tasks. If you require a spacious and heavy-duty work surface that can be customized to your preferred working height, this model is ideal for extensive projects. What people say. It is very well built and the top is like a tank. The wood top weighs over 100 pounds. I also like the screw-in feet, it makes it easy to level and keeps it from rocking if the floor is slightly off. The paint is powder-coated on and looks really nice. Number 2. ENJOYWOOD Adjustable Workbench with Storage. Introducing the ENJOYWOOD Adjustable Workbench, designed to be the perfect addition to your garage, home, or office. It offers a spacious and sturdy surface for all your projects. Crafted with a 1.2-inch premium rubberwood top and a robust H-shaped frame, this workbench ensures exceptional stability and a load-bearing capacity of up to 2,000 pounds. Its transparent coating guarantees a longer service life. Maximize your workspace with integrated drawers and a wall-mounted shelf bracket for easy tool access and organization. Dual-side pegboards keep your frequently used tools within reach, boosting your efficiency. Stay powered up with ETL-certified outlets, conveniently located with buttons for easy access to your power tools. A cord organizer keeps your workspace tidy and safe. Featuring adjustable metal feet with anti-slip rubber pads, it adapts to uneven surfaces, ensuring stability and safety. Its adjustable height ranges from 28 to 40 inches, making it suitable for various tasks and locations. With pre-drilled holes, setting up this versatile workbench is a breeze. Get your new workspace ready in minutes and start tackling your projects with confidence. What we like. This workbench is designed for maximum organization with integrated storage drawers, dual-sided pegboards, and convenient ETL-certified power outlets. Its H-shaped frame and thick rubberwood top ensure superior stability and a 2,000 pounds load capacity. If you're looking for a complete solution to keep your tools tidy and accessible while providing a sturdy workspace, especially in a garage or home office, this is the one. What people say. The workbench top is made of solid wood, which is very durable and can withstand heavy loads. It has a smooth surface that is easy to clean and resistant to scratches. The pre-drilled holes make it easy to attach vices or other accessories. Number 1. Keter Folding Work Table Portable Workbench. Need a workspace in a hurry? This portable workbench sets up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for any DIY project or job site. Tackle heavy-duty tasks with confidence. Its spacious surface supports up to 1,000 pounds, and integrated clamps keep your material secure. This table is ideal for a variety of tasks, from miter saws to woodworking. Its quick folding design makes storage and transport a breeze. Built to last, this workbench is constructed from weather-resistant materials and features heavy-duty legs. It's designed for reliable performance in any environment. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative solutions inspired by your life. We design products to make your day-to-day activities better and easier. What we like. This workbench is incredibly portable and sets up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for on-the-go projects. It includes 12-inch clamps that can be mounted in multiple ways and supports up to 1,000 pounds. If you need a versatile and easy-to-deploy workspace for DIY projects, home improvements, or job sites where quick setup and portability are key, this folding table is an excellent choice. What people say. It is ridiculously easy to set up and even easier to fold. I love that I can fold it and store it, or load it into the back of my truck. This thing is really sturdy. It says it's good up to 1,000 pounds. No idea if that is true, but I weighed 225 and I climbed on it and stood up and it had no trouble holding me. No assembly and very easy to open and close. It holds a lawnmower at the perfect height to work on from a rolling chair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.